smile can mean so many things, but it can tell us the most about how that person is feeling.
A smile to me means happiness.
It just feels good to see them have a healthy smile.
When I walk around and I see kids smiling, it just gives me a great joy. I want kids to be happy here at school and they're having fun.
Oral health is connected to other parts of our well-being.
So that's an important thing for them to have healthy teeth.
Texas leads the country in uninsured rates. Roughly half of kids don't have access to health insurance in Texas. An even larger percentage lack access to dental insurance. That's the population that we're most trying to reach because they face the biggest barriers.
Students in our community do not have access to high-quality dental care because their families cannot afford that.
Parents are struggling to make basic needs, and sometimes the extras get cut. Dentistry sometimes is one of those things that gets cut.
Lots of families face huge barriers to accessing care. Working jobs where they don't get paid time off. And so if they're going to take their kid to the dentist, they're going to miss half a day or a full day of work and pay. Many families face huge transportation challenges, particularly in our more rural areas.
A lot of the students have just never been to the dentist, kind of feeling like there's nothing that they can do to help their teeth get better. Whenever we hear that, it breaks our hearts and it makes me want to help.
The mission of St. David's Foundation is to advance health equity through investment and action. Our dental program is an example of the action that we take. By bringing our program to where they are and providing care and treatment for free, we know that the access to care that our dental program provides is hugely important for families who wouldn't get this care without our program. Schools are such an important partner for us because that's where the kids are. If we bring our mobile clinics, we know that we can efficiently and quickly serve lots of kids.
Perfecto, gracias.
The St. David's Foundation is pretty familiar with working in schools. They come in and they connect, they follow all of our procedures, and so we understand the process and can work with them really smoothly. It's really easy to share our students and trust them to take our students right outside the building. They just go a few feet into the parking lot and get the dental vans out there.
We have a runner who brings the students from the classrooms directly to the vans. First, we start off with the full comprehensive exam, which includes panel x-ray, and if they need any additional x-rays, we'll take those, and then we'll do an exam. And then we'll kind of triage from that to what kind of treatment they need. Can you please tell me your name? If they need fillings and cleanings, we can do them on the vans. But if they need any more complicated treatment like extractions or silver diamond fluoride, we also have after-school appointments to complete those.
You got all the cavities out of there?
Yeah, only thing difference between a dental office that you normally go to versus our mobile dental clinic is that it's on wheels. I think a lot of people will be very surprised when they first step their foot into the dental vans. We have all the new technologies that is comparable, if not better than most dental offices. All of us are licensed dental professionals. We've been doing this for many, many years. We're full comprehensive. If there is something that we're not able to do on the vans, maybe the patient needs sedation or maybe need a complex treatment, we have a complex care program where we can refer our students to these other providers that can provide the treatment that we might not be able to provide on the vans.
In the back here, that's what we use to chew our food with, right?
A part that I feel like is really, really important that our program really focuses on is preventative and dental education. We give them goodie bags with like preventative care. And I think those are the things that are sorely needed in the population that we work with.
You're gonna look so pretty.
Without that access to care, many kids would be missing more days of school. There's just real value in bringing this care to places where we know families just don't have that access.
The foundation and the partnership we're able to have with them is really a great way of expanding what we're able to do here at the school beyond just helping kids be successful academically.
We're all here for a goal, which is to help these students that sit in our chairs receive a loving and caring care, and then they leave with a better smile.